At the last minute, there were some properties that we left for later. I will talk about them. When you open shape layer, let's close it. When you open shape layer, there we will see transform, and in the rectangle there is another transform. As I told, there is little different. The difference on skew. We see here two parameters, skew and skew axis. It makes some slanting. You can use it. Let's press Ctrl Z several times to cancel action. And also, as the last lessons, we did not touch the rectangle path. Let's talk about it. There is also size, position, and roundness. If we'll raise the number, it will be looking like circle. Press Ctrl Z. Also, when you are changing any parameters, for example position moving like this, if we will press and hold shift, it will move more.